I have to give it some drag. Oh, not that much. There we go, guys. Oh, he's on. I have no idea what this is. And the lunker log, he was tugging on it. This is exciting. There we go. There's another fish. How's it going, you guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. Googan Baits, at the time of recording this, just recently dropped their new flamin' hot color about a month ago or two. And we are here to see if it's hot or not. So we are going to do some fishing. There's something in there in the lunker log. He was tugging on it. I'm gonna put it back in there, but expose the hook a little bit more and see if we can't get him to make a connection. There we go, guys. Oh, he's on. I have no idea what this is. Oh, I think it's a smallmouth. Here at the river. Yes, there we go. There we go, you guys. On the flamin' hot lunker log. Would you look at that? Easy, buddy. There we go. Look at that smallmouth. He's got some scarring on him. Wonder what that's from, but that is a nice, thick smallmouth on the flaming hot lunker log. We will send him off on his way. Oh. There we go. Oh, man. There's another one right by that rock. And how I'm fishing it is I'm just slow rolling it ever so slightly around these rocks. So it's not only ponds that you can use soft baits like a stick bait in. If you find the right area, this is calm water. If you can find calm water, you can throw almost any presentation in there and they'll bite. There we go. There's another fish. Another nice smallmouth. Take a look at that. That guy has got a beat up mouth. I do not know what that's from. Man, he's pretty gnarly. I don't know if he's been caught before or what, but that doesn't look like it's from being caught. A nice little second smallmouth on the day on that lunker log, and he's actually been caught multiple times. I see another hole up in the top of his mouth, but we'll get him off. There's a smallmouth number 2, and this lunker log has really been through it. It's the same one that we've been fishing with all day, or at least all video. I fished with it multiple days, and it has stayed in phenomenal shape. There we go. There's another fish. I'm imagining it's another smallmouth. Oh, this is a big one, or at least bigger. He's just digging down. Oh my goodness, you guys. Take a look at this one. Biggest fish of the day. Look at this smallmouth. Oh my goodness. This is exciting. On that flamin' hot lunker log is just crushing the smallmouth. We're gonna get this hook out fast and send him off. Oh, there's a fish on there. Oh my goodness, you guys. I do not know what it is, but oh, it's digging. I have to give it some drag. Oh, not that much. What is this? Oh, big bass. Big smallmouth. Nice. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! Look at that. What a beautiful fish. Oh my goodness. On the flaming hot lunker log. Wow. Thick fish. Let me make sure you guys are seeing this. Beautiful fish right beneath the dam. Let's send it on its way. Wow. Now, some people knock Googan baits for their durability, but after those 4 fish, this bait was still in phenomenal shape and definitely lives up to the name, Flamin' Hot.